Hello, my dear students. In the process of our online teaching, we are going to learn today the poem Wine, which is written by Subramanya Bharati. Okay, Subramanya Bharati is a well-known poet of the Tamil Nadu, and he is rightly known as Bharatiya. In this present poem, it is a symbolic one. It's a great symbolic one, and it convey a message to the human being that you should don't worry about the obstacles which come in the life of the human being. So let's start the poem. Wine, come softly. Don't break the shutters of the windows. Don't scatter the papers. Here, the poet make appeal or he is requesting to the wine that please you come very softly. He is pleading to the wine. He is pleading to the wine that wine come very softly. He is requesting to the wine, come very softly, don't break the shutters of the window. As you know that when the wine comes in a furious way, it shutters the window, and the pane of the window, it had broken down. So that's why the poet Subramanya Bharati pleading him that you must come very softly. Okay, don't break the shutters of the windows. Don't scatter the papers. Because of the flow of the wine, the paper which is put on the table may be spread here and there. That's why he is appealing to him. He is requesting to the wine. Okay, the wine is here personifies. That's why he is speaking as the wine is a human being. Okay, the wine is personified here. Okay, don't scatter the papers. Don't throw down the books on the shelf. When the wine is in a very furious way, because of that so much damage is happened in the room. The wine entered in the room. The wine entered in the room. That's why the books which is put down in the shelves fallen down on the ground because of that strong wine. So the poet appealing or requesting to the wine, please don't distract the man-made things, the things which beautifies the own house. There, look what you did. Now he is requesting in a panic way. Just look, give your glance, just see your eyes and see that what you have done here. Because of your furious rage, you sprayed or destroyed all the things which is made by the human being. All down. You tore the pages of the books. Okay, the books are there on the table or in the shelves. That the pages which is tore down, which is destroyed by the wine. Now the pages of the book is also not visible. It is not in a good condition to read it. Come on to the next slide. To add fuel to the fire. Okay, in next continuing line we are getting the ideas that to add fuel to the fire, you brought rain again. It is a general indication when the wind blows very furiously, behind that the rain follows it. Okay, the rain follows it. So here you brought the rain again. You are very clever at poking fun at the weakness. That means the poet ironically speaking to the wine that you are very clever, you are very intelligent, that you are making the fun of the weakness. Weakness means weakness of the body, weakness of the emotion or the mental. So you are very clever at poking fun at weakness. You know, our most beloved former president, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, in his book he rightly remarked that stronger respect strongers, not the weakness. Stronger respect stronger, not the weakness. So here the wind, I want to that the poet want to convey the message that the wind is very cleverer to make the fun of others. Okay. Frail crumbling houses, crumbling doors, crumbling rafters. That means crumbling means broken. You broken the houses, you crumble the doors, you crumble the rafters. Here look at the word weakness. Weakness means what? The door which are weak, the houses which are weak, the rafters which are weak, the wood, crumbling bodies, crumbling hearts, crumbling lives and crumbling hearts. Those who are weak, not the strong. Those who are weak, you make the fun of their weakness. Because of your furious rage, you crumbled, that means you destroyed the houses, but the houses which are not so strong, they are weak. Okay, the human beings who are weak, physically or mentally, you make the fun of it. You have made the fun of the living things as well as the non-living things here. Crumbling woods, crumbling bodies, crumbling lives. You destroyed the life of others. You destroyed the hearts of others. Okay. Come on to the next slide. Next slide. The wind God windows and crushes them all. Here the wind is considered as the God. Okay. You crushes them all. The wind God crushes them all. He won't do what you tell him. Suppose you want to convey that don't do this, my dear wind. Okay, it is not fairly listened by the wind. Okay, so you can consider the wind God. You pray to the wind God, and then the wind God will come to your help. The wind God will come to your help. Okay, you won't do what you tell him. So, my dear human beings, the poet wants to convey a message that, my dear human beings, let's build strong homes. Okay, your views, your feelings, you should be mentally tough, physically tough to understand all these things. So come, let's build strong homes. You know that stronger respect strongers, and here the wind, when we treat the wind as a god, okay, we should be very strong. So we should very strong by physically and emotionally also. So come, let's build strong homes. Let's join hand and doors firmly. That means all human beings should be united. You join your hands and doors very firmly. Practice to form the body. Okay, that means practice to form the body means everyone should learn how to stood very firmly on the ground. Okay, whether it is the trouble of the nature or by the wind. Practice to firm the body. Make the heart steadfast. Okay, you must be emotionally very strong. You must be physically very strong to bear the obstacles of the life, hurdles of the life. Obstacles of the life and the hurdles of the life. Okay, so you must be very strong by physically and emotionally. So on the next slide, these are the concluding lines. Okay, the poet used here metaphor, figure of speech to describe the whole poem here. Okay, concluding lines are there. Do this and the wind will be friend with us. If you want to be a friend, if you want to make the friendship with the wind, you must be very steadfast. Okay, that means you must be mentally, emotionally strong to bear all these things. When you are stronger, then you should treat the wind as a god. Do this and the window will be friend with us. The wind will be friend with us. The wine blows out weak fires. Here the poet again symbolizes. Have you observed when the small fire is in the earth and you have to blow like this? Blow like this, the fire started to blow. It will take a flame, okay, with help of the wine. But when the wine is under control, that means the wine is under control, at that time the fire will blows very slowly. But when the wine is out of control and it lighted some, then it will be bursted and it is not controlled. The wine blows out weak fires. Those weak fires it will blows. He makes strong fires roar and flourish. When some fire is there, okay, and when wine blows like that, okay, the wine will burst there. The wine will burst. Okay, so be a friend. He makes strong fires roar and flourish. His friendship is good. When you are strong, the friendship of the wine is too good for him. Human being, we praise him every day. We have to praise him every day. For what? To benefit of our human being. Okay. Now here, in this poem, we just want to discuss the summary of all this poem. Okay. Here, total 22 lines are there, and the summary of this poem is that the poet used metaphor, figure of speech to trace out that the humans are maybe weak by the heart. Okay, maybe they are physically strong, but they are mentally weak. The poet Subramanyam Bharati wants to give a message that we should overcome hurdles, troubles of the human being. Okay, so my dear student, this is all for the day today. Now you have to find out the poetic devices. You have to write the summary of the poem, and in the next video I will deal with the figure of speech, which is here in the metaphor and personification and amphophor, that is repetition. Amphophor, that is repetition of the lines, is this poetic devices is used here. Thank you for today.